Good morning. My name is Rahul of KV number 3 Gwalior. Today I am going to share something with you about functions in Python. Functions in Python. What are functions? Functions are subprograms which perform tasks which may need to be repeated. Some functions are bundled in the standard library which are the part of any language core package. We were already used many built-in functions such as input, evaluate, etc. Functions are similar to methods but may not be connected with objects. Programmer can write their own functions. Why write functions? For reusability, fewer errors introduced when code isn't rewritten. Reduce the complexity of code. Programs are easier to maintain. Programs are easier to understand. Function definition. A function definition has two major parts, the definition head and the definition body. The definition head in the Python has three main parts, the keyword definition, identifier or name of the function, and the parameter in the parenthesis. This is the example. Now we know about the define keyword, parameter and return statement. Define keyword. Functions are defined using the def keyword. After this keyword can become an identifier for the function followed by a pair of parentheses which may include some names of the variables and by the final colon that ends the line. A parameter is the variable listed inside the parenthesis in the function definition. A return statement is used to end the execution of a function call and return the result to the caller.